Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to play games on YouTube. Playing games on YouTube is very simple, and it's a great way to explore different games and find the ones you like. YouTube has a special gaming section where you can discover popular games, updates, and live gameplay from different creators. First, open the YouTube app on your mobile device. Make sure you're connected to the internet and signed in to your account. Now, tap on the compass icon at the top left corner of the screen. From here, tap on Gaming to open the gaming section. Here, you'll see lots of gaming videos from different games and creators. Scroll down a bit, and you'll find the top live games section, showing the most popular games being played right now. Now, select any game you like and tap on it to open its page. Here, you can check the channel that uploaded the game and see more related content from them. After that, go back and explore more games to find new ones you might enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.